In this lesson, we are going to take a look at a feature called break corners. The break corner feature allows you to place a fillet or a chamfer on a corner or corners of a sheet metal part. So let's go to the drop-down corners and select break corner, corner trim. As soon as the property manager opens, you will see it's fairly short in length, very simple to work through. The very first window in the property manager is prompting me for an edge or face. So this command turns on a filter which only allows you to select an edge or face. I am going to zoom up on this flange here and select this edge. Now I can continue working around the part selecting edges, or I can simply clear the window and select a face. Returning to the property manager, notice the break type is chamfer or fillet. Now you may be wondering, what is the difference between this command and the chamfer fillet command found on the features ribbon? There is really no difference other than this is placed on the sheet metal ribbon for convenience purposes. So I am going to zoom out. I'm going to select a few more faces. And now let's change the chamfer size to 2 millimeters. And notice all outside corners on those 4 flanges have been selected. I will close out of the break corner property manager and the model is updated. And this concludes our lesson on break corner.